Welcome to our showdown between two popular countertop ice makers, the Ecozy Nugget Ice Maker and the Igloo Automatic Ice Maker. Today, we'll dive into the unique features of each machine, comparing their ice production capabilities, daily yield, and overall value. Whether you're hosting a party or just need ice for your drinks, we've got you covered. The Ecozy Nugget Ice Maker produces chewable nugget ice, perfect for cocktails and beverages, while the Igloo Automatic Ice Maker creates standard cylindrical ice cubes in two sizes. This difference in ice type can significantly affect your drinking experience, especially for those who prefer the texture of nugget ice. When it comes to daily ice production, the Ecozy Nugget Ice Maker leads with an impressive output of 33 pounds per day, making it ideal for larger gatherings. In contrast, the Igloo Automatic Ice Maker offers a respectable 26 pounds daily yield, which is suitable for smaller households or occasional use. In terms of production speed, the Igloo Automatic Ice Maker shines with its ability to produce 9 ice cubes in just 7 minutes, making it a quick option for immediate needs. The Ecozy, while slower, takes approximately 20 minutes to produce 7 ounces of nugget ice, which may be a consideration for those who prioritize speed over ice type. In conclusion, both the Ecozy Nugget Ice Maker and the Igloo Automatic Ice Maker have their unique strengths. The Ecozy excels in producing high-quality nugget ice and higher daily yield, while the Igloo offers rapid ice production at a more affordable price. Depending on your ice preferences and needs, one of these machines may be the perfect fit for your kitchen. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.